In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can switch or change the network on Trust Wallet. The process is very easy. I'm gonna open the Trust Wallet extension right now. To change the networks, you need to go to your settings and you will see network right here. As you can see by default, it's set in the Ethereum network, but you can change it to, for example, Polygon. You can also add a custom network right here. It will ask for network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and token symbol. After that, you just click here and it will be imported. There's another way to do it. It's just by clicking right here. You will see the icon of your current network and you can change it directly from here. Let's say I want the smart chain. And that's it. That's how easy you can change the networks on Trust Wallet. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.